Hello friends, this is Dell laptop Ostro 3560. So I will show you today how to install the RAM and even how to upgrade the RAM. So let's start with unscrewing the laptop. So these are the two screws. So you can see in this video. So first what you have to do is open the back cover. So you can see the RAM slots which is visible in this laptop. So this is the first RAM, this is one RAM, and this is second RAM. So this is the dual channel 4 GB RAM which comes pre-installed by the Dell, and this is the RAM which I have upgraded. Okay, let's remove it and show it. So now I will tell you, so what is the difference between these two RAMs. So you can see here there are only one set of ICs, and in this RAM you can see the two sets of IC. Okay, so there are two channels, this is one and this is two, and this only one channel. So this RAM is called as single channel 4 GB DDR3 RAM, and this is dual channel DDR3 4 GB RAM. So what is the difference between this and this is that this loads very faster than this one, because the RAM speed depends upon the IC. Okay, so it is having 1 2 3 4 IC, so it buffers very fast compared to this. Okay, and now I will show you how to install back into the RAM slot again. Okay, so this is the first slot. Okay, slot 1, and this is a slot 2. So always faster RAM, the RAM which you have to be upgraded, it should be fit in this into this slot. And now, so this is the faster RAM or original RAM which fits into the slot 1. Okay, so you see how I installed the RAM inside the two slots. So always the faster RAM should be installed in slot 1. Okay, and the RAM which you need to upgrade, that is to be fit into the slot 2. Okay, so after fitting this, you need to remove the battery. Okay, and wait for 2 to 5 seconds, then put it back. So this process we call it as power drain. So whenever you are installing any new hardware, you need to do the power drain. Okay, so then put back the cover again. and now we boot the system. So it is working fine. So this is the way you need to install the RAM and do the power drain, and you can use the laptop faster if you want to upgrade it with the new RAM. Okay, thank you for watching this video.